nostalgia that arouses when I'm with the rest of the bandits. Obsessed with talking about the bitches we sexed till we landed in the spot that always used to pop when we was younger. Shook hands with niggas I hadn't seen for several Septembers. Gave hugs to women I only vaguely remember. The way their fingers caressing my back was giving me signals like you may enter. Liquor informing my agenda straight. Greatest rapper of the century. You'll get another shot. The club was starting to get too hot, so I stepped outside for a breather. That very moment I seen her, she had the glow of a Leah while I control my demeanor and said,
Big baby.
One second, bro. It's crazy. I was wondering too, like, I didn't know about this.
It's not that I don't want you here. Yeah. It's something about the way you stare into my eyes. I know that I don't make things clear. I fall for you every time I try to resist you. We can get away. Palm trees, beach views, food and everything. All I wanna hear is in the visions I replay. Sit right next to you. I try not to show how I feel about you, think you wish you away, but we don't really want to, I just wanna get away and sit right next to you. I don't wanna kiss you, yeah, I just wanna feel you, feel you. I want you around. I swear it's hard to keep these feelings to myself. Now you're the one I'm thinking of. My heart by my rocket down. For gravity I'd rather stay up here. We can get away. Palm trees, beach views, food and everything. All I wanna hear is in the visions of replay. Sit right next to you. I try not to show how I feel about you, think you wish you away, but we don't really want to, I just wanna get away and sit right next to you. I don't wanna kiss you, yeah, I just wanna feel you, feel you. I want you around.
Anywho, we've made it, y'all. We've made it. Let me get some footage and I'm gonna get back to y'all.
Can I get my grown man on one side, sister ladies tonight? This should be hanging with Jay-Z. Excuse me, miss. What's your name? Can you come hang with me? Possibly. That's right. Can I take you out tonight? You already know what it's hitting for. I got whatever outside and you know what I'm sitting on. 50-50 venture with them S-dots kicking off. Armadale popping down, only bring a nigga more. Only thing missing is some missus. You ain't even gotta do the dishes. Got 2 dishwashers, got 1 chef, 1 maid. All I need is a pulse and a play space with the cards up, all trust. Who else you gonna run with? The truth is us. Only dudes with units and pimp juice and us. It's the rockin' hair, Maybach outside, got rocks in there. PJs on the runway, young got air. I don't land at the airport, I call it the clearport. Therefore, I don't wanna hear more back and forth about who's hot as young house. met him. Groupies try to take advantage of him. He won't let him, he don't need him. So he treats him like he treats him. Better them than me, she don't agree with him. She's mad at that, he's not having that. So those opposites attract like magnets. She sees more than the Benz wagon, the friends tagging along, the flashy nigga bragging on the song. She gets a glimpse of Sean and she likes that. He two ways her, so she writes back. Smiley faces after all of her phrases. Either she the one or I'm caught in the matrix. Well, fuck it, let the fish burn. Red or green pill, you live and you learn. Come on. Woo. Damn. You gotta throw in your fine lemons for this. You might gotta go get you some Scooby Doos. Gotta throw in your Scooby Doos. Those are shoes, by the way. You gotta throw in your Scooby Doos.
Church. And you're gonna love me, you're gonna wanna hug me and scream.
You ain't even gotta impress me. If the main goal is to undress me, that's the only thing that I'm addressing. At the Hollywood like you inventing, as if you wasn't eating me for breakfast. I'm talking to me, listen when I'm venting. I'm the one who messed up on your bedding. You're pointing fingers at me like I'm selfish. What you want is call me when you're alone. And every time I do, your mother ending in your map. Like what's the point of coming back? Don't play it safe. I want something to make it last. Oh, tattoos matching, make me so wild. Laughing, give me all your love while we in the backseat. Truck over to the places we eat. I'ma make it better. Neck way like Pellegrino. I'ma make you shine down, you don't know when I we know. We gon' make a movie real bad, damn Tino. Take you right up out of them chinos. We gon' spend the night, wake up, icing cappuccinos. Open up in Vegas, then we have no Reno. Got me down bad, baby, feeding for your Pino. Baby, don't distract me, what you want it. Call me when you're alone. And every time I take you back, I'm not afraid of the whole fact that you gon' leave away from home. Your mother ending in your map. Like what's the point of coming back? Don't play it safe. I want something to make it last. Oh, tattoos matching, make me so wild. Laughing, give me all your love while we in the backseat. Truck over to the places we eat.
And you're gonna love me, you're gonna wanna hug me and scream.
My heart is hard to carry after dark. Y'all to blame for what we could have been, cause look at what we are. Your friends are scared to tell you you went too far. Funny that it's always been all about you from the start. I met someone new last night and we kicked it. And I'm going back there tonight. You know what's on my mind this time. Going back there tonight. And you know what's on my mind.